everyone. Welcome to Module 3. I can't believe we're already 3 weeks into our quarter. This week we are going to be getting into quite a bit of math. So for this week, please bring your calculator. We will be doing a practice worksheet together going over KVP, math, MA, seconds, and applying all of those things that we learned in week 1 to this week. So don't get overwhelmed. We will get through it together. We're going to practice in class together, and I'm always here for you if you have any questions. I want to go over what's expected for this week and what you can expect for our class time together. For the lab assignment, you will see at the top bright red letters with hyperlinks for 2 documents of which I'd like for you to download. One is a document that's supporting the actual lab assignment. It has screen speed, conversion charts for you to refer to. The first document is your actual lab assignment, of which I'd like for you to complete and send back to me electronically by the assigned date of Saturday morning. So you can do it one of 2 ways. You can either write out your answers on a piece of paper, doing the work, and then submit it back to me with just your answers written in electronically, or if you'd rather show me your work, I'm more apt to give you more credit if you do show me your work, because I can usually see where you went wrong, so I can give you half credit or quarter credit if that is applicable to you. Again, that is due Saturday morning. In reference to your written assignment, you are going to be talking about the 4 prime factors of image quality. So I want you to discuss how each factor is influenced and controlled, and knowledge about these concepts will allow you to identify and solve problems related to image quality. So make sure you know those 4 factors of image quality, of which we will be discussing Wednesday night. It should be 1 to 2 pages, so no shorter than 1 page, no longer than 2 pages. If you do research, which I'm assuming you would, assuming that you don't know about these concepts until you've read them in your textbook, so please cite the sources of which you're using. If it's your textbook, I always recommend using your textbook, or if it's your pocket guide, if it's an internet source, always, always, always cite. You do not want to be caught for plagiarism. In reference to your discussion post, as always, your first initial post is due Wednesday by midnight. Your one response to your classmate is due by Friday at midnight. You're going to talk about different types of X-ray film artifacts. I would like for you to discuss a minimum of 2 in your initial post. Again, thorough posts need to be a minimum of 3 sentences. I would prefer longer, a paragraph or 2. And your response to your classmate, maybe ask some questions. Ask how they would avoid having artifacts on their X-ray images. And you're also going to talk about ways to avoid them or common artifacts. I want you to really be thorough and understand it. There's a whole section in your textbook that goes over those. And then your quiz is due Sunday by midnight. So I really hope all of you come to class this Wednesday. We have a lot to cover. Math comes differently to everybody, so do not feel discouraged if it doesn't come easily to you. We will go over it so that everyone is comfortable. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class, after class, or send me an email. I am here for you. So we'll get through it together, and I'll see all of you Wednesday evening. Have a great week.